Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Dual Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. So first of all, go to app library. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Now here and click on the search icon and search ONE. You will see one on home. So scroll down and click on storage and click on clear cache and clear data. So after the process, go back to settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on software update. So you will check your software update is latest. So if it latest, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install the Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.